MicroStrategy ONE, the platform of dreams. AI-powered workflows, unlimited streams. Cloud-native tech, performance like no other. Align your vision, discover insights together. Hey there, let me tell you about a software so cool. MicroStrategy Analytics gonna make you drool. Python-enabled grids, updating records with a blast. Salesforce service now, no task is too vast. Introducing auto chat experiences on fire. Upload knowledge assets, take it higher. Business glossaries, acronyms, and synonyms too. Accurate data answers just for you. AI interpretation and execution, a deeper dive. Transparency and insight, let your data thrive. Troubleshooting, validation, power users rejoice. Efficient tools for exploration, hear their voice. So come on board, join the MicroStrategy crew. Unleash your potential, there's so much to do. Discover new insights, create experiences that raise